good day, Ma'am Girly. Can you tell me about yourself?
Hi ma'am, good morning. My name is Girly Lee. I'm 42 years old.
Alright, then where do you live?
I live in Baras Rizal.
Okay, then please tell me about your educational background.
I'm high school graduate.
Okay, then do you have any brothers or sisters?
I have one brother and I have one sister.
Okay, do you have any kids?
Yes, I have kids. I have 4 kids. I have 3 children, girls, and I have 1 boy.
Okay, then what is your marital status?
My status is separate ma'am.
Okay, then how would you describe yourself?
I'm very hardworking and I'm honest and I'm fast learning.
Okay, then why do you want to apply abroad?
I want to apply abroad about my family and my kids to support to study, and I give the support good I'll give the support they study ma'am.
Okay, then do you have any work experience abroad?
Yes ma'am. Since 2016 I'm go to the Saudi and Riyadh, then I finished the contract.
Okay, please tell me the duties and responsibilities as DH in Saudi.
My responsibility and housemaid, I'm cleaning and I'm laundry and iron, dishwashing.
Alright. Then, did you finish your contract there?
Yes ma'am, I finished the contract 2 years.
Okay. Then, are you willing to take care of small children, newborn baby, or elderly person abroad?
Yes ma'am, I willing to take care.
Okay. Then, how will you take care of naughty children and children with temper tantrums?
I'm talk to them and I'm playing.
Okay. Then, how about if the newborn baby is crying at night?
I'm singing for sleeping the baby.
Okay. Then, what will you do if you become homesick?
I'm prepared myself to homesick. I promise my family. Then I promise my finish the contract for my family.
Okay. Then, are you scared of dogs and cats?
No ma'am, because I love dogs and cats.
Okay. Then, are you willing to take care of pets, even big dogs?
Yes ma'am.
Okay. Then, how do you describe your cooking skills?
Describe my cooking skills. I'm willing to prepare your dishes. Then I'm cook the sinigang, adobo, tinola.
Alright. Then, are you willing to learn new dishes?
I'm willing to learn the dishes, ma'am.
Okay. Do you have any food allergy?
No, ma'am.
Do you eat everything?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Do you have the full consent of your family to go and work abroad?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you promise not to use your cell phone during working hours?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have the physical energy to keep up with the children?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you promise to be honest and loyal to your employer?
Yes, ma'am. I will be honest.
Okay. Do you drink alcohol?
No,
How
ma'am.
about smoking?
No, ma'am.
Do you have any body tattoo?
No, ma'am.
Do you have any history of surgery or serious sickness in the past?
No, ma'am.
Are you willing to share room with the children or elderly persons?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you willing to wake up very early in the morning and sleep late at night?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you willing to work during day off and employer will pay you overtime?
Yes, ma'am.
Alright, for the last question, Ma'am Girly, what is your final message to your future employer abroad?
Hi, ma'am. Hi, sir. I will be promised to work hardworking and be honest. I prepared myself to finish the contract. Thank you, ma'am.